Hi, my name is Andrea Stancescu, and I'm a second-year applied math and stats student at NC State University. I chose to compare the web designs of SAS and IBM in this presentation, as these are two companies I'm currently looking into for summer internships and potential future careers. I'm intending for this information to reach university students and young adults with a background in STEM who are searching for jobs in the particular field of applied math, stats, or data science. So this information is highly tailored to data analysts and pertains primarily to their job search and other factors that must be considered throughout the search. I'll discuss the job search, where I'll talk about the ease with finding prospective jobs and postings and available positions, as well as the steps to completing the application. I'll examine the transparency and clarity of the website regarding their work-life balance and how they ensure that their employees are happy and efficient workers. To do this, I'll look for employee testimonials and the discussion of work-life balance. I'll also look at training and certification programs offered on their website. I'll see if these are open for the general public or only for current employees, as well as what skill sets are taught and practiced. From the homepage of the SAS website, there is a visible menu icon button in the top right corner, which has links leading to all sections of the website. It's not intuitive which submenu contains employment information. After much searching around, I was able to find the Careers section under the About submenu. This is non-intuitive organization, for I would expect the About section of a web page to contain information about the company. There are also 3 layers of submenus under these small icons, leading to a very cluttered and unorganized hierarchy of information. In the career portal, there are many filters and sort by options to organize and narrow one's job search to only what is applicable to their skill set. These filters include department, location, and job type. Once settling on an opportunity of interest, the application can be completed through SAS's website. SAS prompts the user to create a prospective applicant portal by using a username and platform, which guides the user through a series of pages where resume, professional experience, and demographic information is provided. From the page of the IBM website, the web page sections can be seen along the top edge of the screen. After scanning through the menu sections, I was able to find career opportunities under About IBM. Once clicking on this link, it brings you to the IBM Global Careers page. The Global Careers page contains significantly more information for prospective applicants than SAS's application portal, thus meriting IBM a higher score in the job search category. The job search engine and application process is found at the bottom of this web page, which requires the applicant to scroll through all the previous sections, which talk about IBM's values and missions, as well as a comprehensive YouTube video, company ratings on Glassdoor, some employee testimonials, the application process, and advice for entry-level applicants. This ensures that the applicant knows what company they're applying to prior to taking the time to fill out the application. SAS is renowned for their company culture and has won many awards, including a spot on Forbes' Best Companies to Work For. Their work-life balance and employee benefits are highlighted on their Our Culture page and shows why they're consistently rated a top workplace. SAS stresses their values and missions as they dedicate 2 pages of their website solely to communicate their corporate and social responsibility. The webpage does a great job of explaining how their 4 values are integrated into their daily work. In this webpage, they link to many of their current projects they're currently undergoing to illustrate how the work they're doing. IBM's corporate social responsibility page leads one to view how IBM is working to make changes in society. It's clear that IBM is not as transparent as SAS about their impact on the world. They provide users with get involved links to sign up to volunteer and some statistics to show how their energy consumption has decreased, but there's not much concrete information on this page regarding how they actively use technology to make society better. In comparison with SAS, IBM superficially addresses their social impact, so I have given them 7 of the 10 total points, since they do contain client success stories and testimonials. SAS has easily accessible and a plethora of training programs for employees and the general public. From the homepage of SAS, the main menu tab has a subsection called Learning, which has dozens of pages dedicated solely to SAS language certification programs, as well as webinars and courses. They're available for anyone interested in gaining more experiences, and many are even free. It's a great resource for university students studying statistics or analytics, since SAS is a widely used language, and it would be a great tool to show for resumes and graduate schools applications. These photos show how widely diverse and applicable SAS's training programs are. SAS provides e-learning distance education courses for students and professionals, and training in SAS coding languages, JMP, VIA, and machine learning skills. Some of these may require some prior technical background and statistical knowledge, but it's possible for anyone to find something new to learn and a place to begin. IBM's professional certification program is a very popular and highly versatile program offered by the company which allows anyone to earn credentials and demonstrate your expertise in a domain. It can be found from the Learn and Support section of the main menu. Although it's not clearly advertised on the site, the program is intended to last 11 months and cost $429. This is a pretty hefty price and a significant portion of time, which is not realistic for everyone. However, this is a great thing to show to any employer, and it can be obtained in a variety of areas which shows specialization and mastery of a specific field. The website clearly lays out the steps in order to get certified, and in addition to the certification, IBM provides hundreds of training courses which can be viewed. Some of these courses have a cost which is clearly indicated under the video title, but many are free. Merely due to IBM's lack of transparency of the price and duration of the certification program, I've given them 9 of the 10 points. In comparison with SAS's website, IBM's main homepage has a much brighter feel and undertone. SAS uses primarily blacks and dark grays for its background colors. IBM chose white and light grays. Both websites use a monochrome color scheme with bright blues to provide contrast and attract attention. Research shows that monochrome colors are commonly associated with highly technical concepts and objects. Meanwhile, the blue instills feelings of trust and security. So it's clear that both companies chose these color patterns very intentionally and to reinforce their products and services. In conclusion, SAS has scored a slightly higher overall score. This is due to the fact that their website was more detailed and exhaustive than IBM's website. However, I did prefer IBM's lighter style and web design, as well as their organizational system, since their website was much easier to follow. In the end, the reason SAS scored a shy 2 points higher is due to their tremendous wealth of information showcasing their work-life culture and certifications and training programs available. Here are the links that I discussed and used throughout the presentation. Any can be accessed at the URL above. Thank you for taking the time to watch this presentation.